If you want some ideas on how to style your favorite summer dress, stay tuned. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Felicia here with another video, and like I said, I wanted to style some of my favorite summer dresses for the winter time because I love a dress. I love throwing on dresses. They're easy to style, but in the wintertime it's cold, so you really don't want to wear a dress because you want to be warm. But I miss my dresses, so I picked out some dresses and I wanted to style them. But before we get into how you style these dresses, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. On my channel, I do fashion, how to styles, I do beauty, as well as some sneaker content. So if you're into those things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into these how to styles. So first we're going to start with this dress that I have on. This is a shirt dress. I got this dress from H&M. Now I know that I won't be able to probably find these dresses, but what I will do is try to find like the pieces that I use to kind of winterize them. I'll try to find stuff that kind of goes with it or is similar to it and put those links in the description box. But as far as the dresses, I'll try, but I can't promise you anything. Like I said, we're going to start with this first dress. This is a shirt dress that I did get from H&M. I got this dress with this black sweater and some over the knee boots. This is more like a suede style boot because I did put tights on. Yes, I put some tights on for y'all in this video, so y'all better give me a like. Y'all better comment all that, because who putting on tights to record a video, child? Me, I did. So I paired it with the velvet boots because I wanted to give texture. I love texture in the fall and winter months. I think that it adds to the outfit. It gives the outfit some character and it kind of just brings it up a little bit. So I added some velvet, like, no, not velvet, suede like boots with this, with the tights and this dress and this sweater. I think this is a nice put together look. You can wear this anywhere, however you want to wear it. And I think that it will keep you warm because you have the boots covering your legs with the tights on. You can also put this shirt dress on with some leggings, so you can kind of wear the shirt dress as a tunic or just a longer shirt. And that's what I did here with the tights and the sweater. And the sweater is also giving you the extra layer of warmth, so you're not, you know, too cold, because this is a lightweight shirt. So the goal is to layer around it by layering over it and under. And so that's what I did with this shirt dress. Let me know in the comments what you think about this outfit, if this is something that you will wear, and tell me where you will wear it. Next, I styled this spaghetti strap maxi dress that I got from Old Navy, and I paired it with a black turtleneck under the dress as well as a long sweater. So again, we're putting those layers on around the dress. I have the turtleneck under the dress to keep my arms warm. I also have an extra layer of warmth with the long sweater, and because this sweater is long and it is a full length sweater, so it's giving me the length of the maxi, I'm getting that extra bit of warmth because this dress is a summer dress, and so the material is lightweight. And I decided to kind of elevate this look a little bit with a boot. I wanted to give like a little vibey look with this. This look was just giving me a vibe, so I paired it with these lace up heel combat boots. And I didn't put a tight on with this. I put just some regular socks, but you could definitely wear some tights with this dress to give yourself an extra bit of warmth. So I did it with that, and I added the hat. I just think it's a whole vibe. It's giving me a moody, vibey look, like, I don't know. It's just giving me a, you know, a little Erykah Badu, Jill Scott type vibe. I like looks like that, like those. I'm sorry, y'all. This brow keep poking out and it's getting on my nerve. But I like those kind of vibey looks like that. That's just my vibe. I like those. I don't dress like that all the time, but sometimes I will pull it out, and when I do, I just feel sexy and it gives me a mood. So that's what I did with this look. Where would I wear this? I don't know. Like, I honestly don't know where I would wear it. I'm thinking, like, I would wear it to work if we was dressing up. I would probably wear it. Um, it's giving me something with some wine. Like, I need to be somewhere with some wine, with some live music, or just somewhere real vibey and mellow with a lifestyle low. And it's just the mood. That's what this outfit is giving me. Let me know in the comments, where would you wear this? Or even if you like this, if this is your style, what do you think about it? But remember, if you're going to wear your maxi dress, again, with all these dresses, you want to layer around the dress. That way you can be warm and you will still get a winter vibe. I really wanted to style a t-shirt dress. I just wanted to see what I could do, what kind of outfit I could put together with a t-shirt dress. And honestly, this outfit kind of came together as I was putting it on and piecing it together. So I took this t-shirt. It says today's outfit is an oversized t-shirt and sneakers. I'm pretty sure I've worn this dress on this channel a couple of times because listen here, I wear my clothes and I will wear them multiple times. That's why I buy them. So you're gonna see them on this channel multiple times because why are you buying clothes to wear one time, child? What are we doing that at? I ain't no celebrity. You're gonna see these dresses, you're gonna see these clothes in these pictures multiple times. Period. Okay, but so this shirt, I was like, okay, I pulled it out and I was like, man, boom, let me see how I can style it. And so I did something that was completely out of the box, but once I put it together, I absolutely loved it. So I paired this shirt with some gray joggers. Now I do wish that the joggers were just a tad bit more bigger, a little bit more oversized, just to give me this, the whole look was to give me like this chunky layered look with this dress. So I paired it with these gray joggers and I threw on this gray Nike hoodie that I had in my closet. I actually stole this hoodie from my son. Well, he left it here when he moved to Ohio, but I threw this dress on with this hoodie and those joggers, and I paired it with my Jordan 1 Mulberries just to kind of, you know, add a little color to it because it was just gray, gray, gray. And when I tell y'all, when I love the way that this outfit looked, it is such a vibe. And it's giving me, again, one of those other vibey looks. Definitely will wear this somewhere out. If I'm out for the day, this is a day look. Like, and I think it's different. Like when you walk in a room, people are gonna look and it's gonna be different because people aren't used to seeing like a long length dress with some jogging pants and a hoodie and you got on your sneakers, but it's just giving a vibe. And when you put your hands in the pocket, I mean, I love this look. Like I outdid myself with this. Like I was like, girl, you styled this. I really like this. Let me know what y'all think, if y'all like this and where will y'all wear this. For me, this is definitely a daytime vibe. I'm wearing this to brunch. I'm wearing this to a day party. I would definitely wear this somewhere where like it's vibey. I just think it's a vibe. All these looks I think that I put together, they're giving a vibe. So let me know if you like it. Have you ever even thought about wearing something like this, or just, you know, taking your t-shirt dress and just styling it outside of the norm? So basically what I did was, because the t-shirt dress has these words, I wanted this dress to be the staple, so I did style around it. But I also wanted, because it's a t-shirt dress, I wanted it to still give me the vibe of I have on a t-shirt. So this look is giving me a jogging suit with a t-shirt. It's just that the t-shirt is elevated, so it's giving you a whole different type of vibe for the look. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all like it, let me know in the comments, because I like it. Like, I'm proud of myself for that, girl. I'm patting myself on the back because that was a look. That was a look. So this last look is really like the inspiration for this video. I saw an influencer by the name of Mimi G. I'm pretty sure you know who she is. I mean, she's an old school influencer, and she is known for making her own clothes and styling. And when I tell you, sis be dressed I love her style. And so she did a reel on Instagram where she paired it with like this sweatshirt dress, but it was the tiered dress, and she put on some jeans and some boots, and it was just a look. And I looked at the dress and I was like, I got a dress like that. Why I ain't never think to do that? So that's how this video came about. It was all is centered around this very last look. So I took this sweatshirt dress, but you can see it is, one is giving you like an ombre, so it goes from light to dark, but it has those 3 tiers on it. Now this dress is a little heavier, so you don't have to layer as much. This is more like a spring fall dress, and honestly you could get away with wearing it in the wintertime if you wore some thick tights and a nice chunky boot or a nice boot. You can definitely style this for the wintertime. But what I did was I styled this dress with some jeans the way that Mimi G did, but I paired it with my Doc Marten boots. And when I tell you, I really love the way this look. I'll definitely wear this out to many places. Will definitely wear it to work because my job is casual. And again, it's still another vibey outfit, and it's also giving me like a little feminine vibe with the dress. But y'all know me, I'm always going to give you a just position. Did I say that right? Am I using words? Y'all know me, I'm going to always give you a tomboy chic type vibe. Let me use a word that I can pronounce. And so I love to give you a feminine piece and add some type of edgy piece to it. So I added my Doc Martens with it, and I just think that this came out, and it's just a really cute casual look, and it can take you so many different places. You can wear this to work. You can wear this for brunch. This is a day date type look. This is a day out with your girls. I mean, you can even wear this. You can wear this to whatever. So let me know where you're gonna wear it in the comments. And if you have a dress like this, have you ever even thought about wearing this with some jeans? It's almost like wearing a statement sweater or a statement sweatshirt with jeans. That's really the vibe that it's giving me. But this is a dress, so I really like the way it came together, and I do plan on wearing this somewhere. I don't know where, but I do want to wear this somewhere because I really like it. And like I said, I was inspired to create this look because of Mimi G. And if you don't know who she is, you just type in Mimi G. You can Google her. She's on Instagram, TikTok, all the places. And she has great fashions. She makes her clothes, but you can also find things similar to what she make in stores sometimes, because sometimes sis comes out her bag. Okay, but yes, so that is it. Those are all of the looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, let me know which one was your favorite look, and have you even thought about styling your summer dresses the way that I have, and if you plan to do something like this in the near future with your summer dresses. Also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Your girl is trying to grow her channel this year. We have goals we're trying to make, and I would appreciate it if you would help me to reach those goals by hitting the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell. I do drop videos Sunday and Wednesday, but on Friday sometimes that's when I drop sneaker content when I have it. So you want to have the notification bell on so you will know every time I drop a new video. And since you're here and you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and watch another video, or go ahead and check out some of these playlists. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.